Hello guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are good and doing well. So in the last lecture, we created a dashboard for user where we are showing all the jobs which user added to his favorite job list. Okay, and we also allowed to either unsave it again or save it again. Okay, I mean remove this from favorite and add this to favorite. Okay, now in this lecture, we will finish this task by adding few improvements into the work that we done, like we will remove the n plus query and we will add a link here so that user can directly navigate to his dashboard where he can see all of his saved jobs. Okay, so now what we need to do here, for example, first let me make some space on the terminal. Okay, if I make some space on the terminal and refresh the page, you will see that we are running into the n plus 1 query here. Why n plus 1 query? So here you can see that in the controller we are fetching saved jobs and removed saved jobs, like current user dot user saved jobs dot where removed from favorite at nil, and where dot not removed from favorite at nil. Okay, but this is causing the issue. If you see it here you can see that, in for example, in the saved jobs, what we are doing here, that we are fetching saved job dot title. That means we are running one query to find all the saved jobs for the user, and then one query for each saved jobs job title. Okay, so that is we are running into the n plus 1 query here. So we need to remove that, so we can simply do it here, like includes and then job. Okay, so we are just doing the eager loading here, includes job, and here also we need to do it like this, includes job where dot not removed from favorited nil. Okay, now save this, and if you go to the browser, first make some space on the terminal. Now go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so now you will see that we are running the less query. We are just making one query to find all the jobs where user has saved and favorite 8 is null. Okay, and one query to find all the jobs where user saved job favorite 8 is not null. Okay, so we resolved the n plus 1 query here. Okay, so this is the first improvement that we do. And now here you can see that, for example, if right now I'm at the index page of the application, now if I have to go to the uh, all dashboard of the user, then what I need to do, either I need to back or I need to type this url into the browser. Okay, but that should be dynamic, and user should reach to this page by navigating some links from the navigation or whatever the place that you want to add link. Okay, so we will add this link before the sign out. Okay, so let's do that. So here you can see, first we need to copy this path. Okay, and then since our all the links are in header, so we will go to the header, and then here what we will do, that if user is sign in, then only we need to display this. Okay, so link to and then my jobs. Okay, and then my saved jobs, user saved job path. Okay, and then you need to add class. Now link active. Okay, save it, and when you save this, you can refresh the page. Okay, so there is something else that we need to fix. Class now link active. Okay, for example, let's save this and go to the url. Why? Okay, that should not be here actually. That should be in the separate. Okay, so what we will do here, that we will add this if else here. Okay, and then we will close this li, and then we will add another li to here. Now item, and in this li we need to push this. Okay, and then we will keep this link outside here. Okay, and here we need to copy this chain. just sorry, just close this li and remove this closing li. Okay, so now this is fine. So our visual should be fine here. So if we refresh the page, now you can see, we can see the my jobs here. Okay, but we want to display the my jobs before sign out. Okay, so let's put it here, save it and refresh the page. Okay, so now you can see this, it is showing the my jobs only for currently signed in users. So if you can see job listing here and you go to the my saved jobs, when you come here, that is fine. Okay, so this is working well. So we added this at the my job, but here we need to make one more condition, that this job should be visible to user only if he is the job seeker. Okay, so what we can do here, that we can add another condition, if current user dot job seeker, if he is the job seeker, then only we need to display this link. Okay, so we can add another if else here, sorry, another if condition here, because we are not allowing the employer users to mark the job as favorite list into their dashboard. Okay, so let's save this and go to the browser. Okay, so this is what is visible here. When you go to the on-site job, now you can see the my jobs as well. And when you click on the sign out, okay, now let's try with a user who is an employer. Okay, so you can see this user is the employer. So, and for employer users, we do not want to see the my job section. So you can see that I'm signed in with as an employer and I cannot see that link here. Okay, so this feature is working fine. Now we need to commit all the changes that we do. So let's shut down the server, git status, and then git add app and config. Okay, git status and then git commit minus m. Here we cannot commit like dashboard for job seekers to manage favorite job list. Okay, so this is the our commit. Now we need to push this. So git push origin, sorry, it should be g, not gii, it should be git. So git push origin feature and then allow users to save job as favorite. Okay, now let me open my git node to copy the token. This is my token, and then push the changes. Okay, so I push this, and now if you go to the browser, okay, so you can see that this is the PR, and if you open this PR, you can see I have two commits I pushed here. Okay, so this is the last first commit for this story, and this is the commit that I made here. And now if you go to the files changed, you can see it here. Okay, so these are the exactly new files that we created, and these are the modified files. Okay, so whenever you see a red signal, that means you deleted something. Whenever you see the green signal, that means you uh, added a new file. And whenever you see this orange kind of sign, that means you modified that file. Okay, so here you can see that we created this model. So this model is completely new, and here we made this. And so these are all the changes that we made. So you can find, we can see all the changes here. Okay, and this is the schema.rb. Since it is very long, so it is showing like that, and this is the yml and so on. Okay, so this is the fine. Now what we need to do, if you wish, you can just take the pull of this pull request. Okay, or you can clone the my repository from scratch, or you can take the pull from the master branch. Okay, because what I'm going to do now, since if you go to the issues list, in this issues list we completed the first two tasks, like that is add sign in forms for employer and job seekers, and add feature for job seekers to mark the job as favorite. Okay, so first these two tasks has been done. So what we will do, that we will merge the pull request to the base branch, which is the main branch in our case. Okay, so what we will do, that we will simply do it from here. So git rebase and merge, so confirm rebase and merge. Okay, so the branch has been merged and the code has been updated to the master branch. Here you can see that these are the latest code that we do. Okay, however, if you want to do it again from your point of view, or you just want to do it from scratch at your end, what you can do is you can see these commits that we created for this branch. Okay, user saved job with m2m between user and jobs, and then edit dashboard for job seekers to manage favorite job list. Okay, so you can do that. Now, since we merge the base branch to the we merge the pull request to the base branch from the browser itself or the git dashboard. So what we need to do here, we need to check out the main, git checkout main. Okay, and now we need to take the pull, git pull origin main. Okay, because we just made those changes here. Okay, so now all the changes are in our main branch, and since we are in the main branch, and you can see that here at the bottom it is showing the main branch, and you can see all the changes that we have. So we got these user saved jobs and everything. Okay, so this is how we completed our second task of the assignment number 4. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about the new task, which is this. So let me go to the issues list. So here we will allow job seekers to opt for the job posting notification from the companies when new job posted. Okay, that means we will add a model, like some kind of configurable model, where user can select a checkbox or opt a condition that I want to receive job posting notification whenever the company posted a new job. Okay, so we will allow them to receive the notification from all the companies whenever a company posted the job. Okay, so we will do that part in the next lecture, but that's all for this, and I hope you like till the point, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.